Christian non-duality is this increasing merging of all our interests and body and soul and emotions into the body of Christ, the new creation, who is, through the Spirit, has given us the source of a new motivation, which comes out of the fruits and gifts of the Spirit. And so the self may remain as a kind of uniqueness. That we're a unique creation, but its limitations as the self from different lower levels of consciousness disappears into ever greater oneness, without having to leave behind the relationships that we had before. In other words, we're building on the previous relationships that were real but somewhat inadequate compared to what the transforming union and what unity consciousness might be. The Christian experience of awakening and unity consciousness is a true oneness that involves the full participation of our humanity, body, soul, and spirit. Distinct from the divine nature, but totally absorbed in reality with the realization of God in the degree that God wills for each of us.